mà là cái chẳng đó chạy nhor cái đồng tin media cái chẳng bao lâu cái phải kel karon khi nó đang rau đi dân đang rau đã bạc kel agan mag bangut gok bây nung lỡ thì con là nung cái gì chẳng cái đồng tin media cái thì là rồi điện rây Junub Sudan cái nó win mua nó điện and wala cái chẳng bao lâu cái phải kel đồng tin media bên update ba nung yang wala bi la dok about situation na yana ling cái Junub cái con đang rau thế update nyam bala security update ka northern jonglei state chega kontin dangwan tin ta northern jonglei state ala kubu ala nyirol ala woror ala yot bala update nyam no ka security situation ka run wangame ka ngwa to update ode bala kur yana ling ka bentiu ka unity state ne pan man ne wale ba yo update ne ka ta chi to ko kormo wa te nyintin kan wo ba ga din wale in unity state Mediodian bala movement na linkon ka central Equatoria security situation ka jube kana ron jube ka ta ci ba ga je wale che ke fiber robu dwal na dre jube pero kana ba no ra dok tin la ne ko kana abden ni ke wa chang dar ma ko dung din media mi je ne ko do ko ro la le ngane ni chang de la ko ro ne online ka dung din media me mi ran jo ma champing linge bi like ka bi share ko bane ko no wan le ko tung nuara na ba ba ko le chop kan jaw ma update nyam cha ga lar dung northern jonglei state we talk about akobu ko situation ka akobu is stable ke this morning hour tenu wo people robu olai wo ka jonglei wo ka central jonglei yen de tino call part of the SPLM I were lo ko the focus today e wona ideal now ka jonglei now bor so ka other situation ka akobu tele midin mi le ro de long ko tele incident that we can report ko wale charo la ka akobu in term of politics in term of tanan and ke chap le ra ka akobu in term of idar nikin tenu wona ideal that are aware who focus when could you ka jonglei state if we talk about neural county this morning take one T activities going on activities it work ka northern neural county ka kon India la right kon ka quick padding right kon ga padding right kon ga panyang right kon ga pultorok ci ko na ngai ko wona ne te kon de aju ka wat la pocket of the SPDF aju ka wat ci ro bar ko area mo ko ni India right kon jo dien me chum na ka pano ci jo ko wo ci ta ke reinforcement mi ta no ma bodol ta right ko kwide no about 200 men to organize somewhere ci ga ben through Malakal ci ga ben ka padding so mo no wona it was a threat ka nyirol up to this morning when karon wanga me chana yila ne cha kwen pan e dar ni nyin nyirol te lar ga jago wona di ala de ka area mo de ka padding de ka panyang te putoro ka idara ni kien ne ka administrators ne ka arm element she go bolin ni she go bog ni she kwar ngwan ni she kwar mo ni de ka area azmo ta ka chol ko bi ga ben ka lanken ko de report ka lanken pan ka ne wale that situation in wini but mi cha ne re mi ja kam information mo ko kwar report gur ga jago wona ne ka chap dial tin to chap tin chang ni panyang tin chang na padding tin chang na putorok chol ga ko baro den mat ka lanken here ya mo bramo jene hostal tin badok that after today morning yeri lane channeling pan kanyol ko mi ya kan kan respond banak bara ka banak wor ka wa chang dar ma ko wo ya pegni and situation kana the neural sikiri ando kona ja kwen ala panyang ka padding ka putoro so the local specific information about area mo wale ke waron wanga me ko ngule ro tin exactly ni no take a movement ni cher ga ta ya kwen ko area mi chala hostile that SPLM IU is taking care of. Is taking care of it. Ko rizal ke jen kune la ro bana ga polo bana ga gor manu yitu ko no ga gwa changdar ma ba ko no yo ga dung dit media. Men rawda bala men yodien bala urur country. So kon chale nga yu urur country forward base. Ka SPLM IU. Mulunu can all the forces can go in ideal kakai urur. And Mr. Ken not all I tell go what are the activities to control and go that we cannot talk about them. Control security issues. To go to SPLMIU, go Mumularo, I am a very report officially to the people to go to Lang. Tin work SPLMIU. Go no go right the Bala limit. Bala limit go on and talk on go that area is powerful. Organization la rodian tindo katibat mo got ken what work big the link to go ro ken tin na ko den mo go ling area of northern jonglei so mo no okay this morning hour lar corner were people there they are in firm control of UI and the surrounding areas kata preparation ko people are going forward. We cannot talk about today tomorrow but anytime, but the news to go to Banaling, area of northern Dongley, Yaragata and Anlat Con. Taban to let you aware of the situation in the order. Kume, Manan take a Jongley state today. To take a shake position. To tell power that we can tell our people go on and name a bigger banner. Tarambugolor. Some of the sporadic to talk, don't bat jumping one the that we can talk, go take a that, moin. You get 50 people, you get even 10 people, go one of the gather. Go to the ditch, Mr. Come. Nimecha you a meada, Nimecha ward, Mejada. Now we remain with only Pajut. Pajut and come more. Tenyan go to call Jordan, go the little guam cooey back quick. Makanai se la mai kien no kona te ke tin di kon se la wa mu loi mi ka ba ga jogo ke ke dong de wa ga pok tap ke dong de ga wa ga duk the reason ta wa plan ko jogo mo te ga piu mai kon di al wang ba biorol about 4 hour walk mi di mu ko jang la da ka no re te piu jo dien the only sub route and it do ga dyang is over fight and ne kon tin that the do dia no do you that they can come through for fight do go go you which is over fight and they contact so na ile to do pa juto kane ne gana wana mo when the time come ba mai de ka to ba ga sille muken ka spell mayu ba yi tiri so no is up to colonna no water mouth plus gore do ngai kon na you te ga da matot and we hear about information ni bo ka you go today take an internal rift within the GAD. Manan re ayut. Take a matot. Miri order thing that we will follow. Ko bokuna George di kedi ngumale order. Chala do and there is one of the deputy commander. The deputy SPDF commander. Are GAD ko yut maud gan war. The commander che yen. Che ben bor. That deputy commander. Che ngajo wona ne third way out. The only thing we will Nuer join. And we are hearing that we can support him. Ko is the right time for any Nuer, but a Kelga Yang, ko and a Derishon Kelga Nuer. So may it walk. Ko and she commander again, she was million week. Chana day teach our camera, Kagad, you chanang and Yakam chap. Yakam chap and war ye cup a day money. In free tag of wood and a beginning gas well mayu. So in that step, you kumbala kumu juba yaga and deputy commander moko what you did, rena experience kume ade me out to kayu ay medan, she will resolve ko on and shalawa korme out here. So no belga ye win me in attention check create today, ke this morning hour, kayu kagad. Men bukoro gonna follow, ko mo pala fat come nikin. That will be one step. Me you tell korba tet in big G and Garodian. Ba jang the bang the corner to a youth and a corner 180 bentin. And now development of you today morning. Is a matter of days, matter of week. Situation will grow. The peak. Area of northern Jonglei state. Right now, Lord, any security situation. We cannot talk about the detail of what the knee, the job the knee, so we cannot talk about it because, as we said, there are Kenyan security issues that only as PLMI will gather to make a report to the people. The law is about northern Jonglei state. So when we come to central Jonglei, talk about war, talk about other contest. There is a massive desertion. Puna nago duk, puna nago panyagore, manan wado okay na tawa banan bor. That we see a massive desertion to walk a year. Name content tell a way out. Walk a year, walk out where they are. We need a corner long order and move with family, with properties, Nikian, Chajal talk, Burger Jub. So Mulu now war is check. And the reason why Madana put a now board, and what tell a trust, tell a nap, SPDF, and Anaquam Moblai, because they know the capacity of SPDF, and Anaquam Moblai. As we talk, go can in the Alana mobilization, get you back, we need Kongu, and Gajay for one Gajago, and walk out in Jonglei state. Up to today, only 300 people locally should board to work at them. Can those 300 people bo? Dagaping. The bargadan walk a year, walk which walk a bargadan. So board are ready for war. Tagadar. And call a largo and a chicken as well. My could you get ready to the pack? I mean to for attack the government of Salva Kiir this time. That the issue go to one and a batida go Nadiel go board. So, and for the more, Charora la day board. Ulu came Kujame, Malakuikume. Power is check. I got one minute. Who would do mobilization? The pay. Jatarama Kanka. Who wanna call? In the idea one. Tenu and the Kumara self of care who they again by a trig. That we always encourage our people who this year 2026 May a change. The Bakuma self of care bagger by a trig. That we need to lower our tone of divisive tone that can divide the people of South Sudan. Bana dark, bana yoping. Good. Jabu take Jabu joy take a young theatre kumani tia yen konoken. We reduce that tone. Good objective. The unity of the people of South Sudan. We work for the unity. So, we have a confidence this year. Nika yekon, nika tana, nika kon government ba luit ke jaka power ke. Bana juj. Ko bana juj. It will be our responsibility tomorrow. Ko you know be in the reconciled. That we need to take care of every activity that calling and time go. Chukon about long alone. That they know rodan. The issue of young and Nuer adult. You want to talk. Then I go Kumara self-care, need a corner support. Not only young, there are Nuer that we see in Gatana and then corner Gayoy. Amman Nuer to Luke, Kuma self-care at Gayoy. So that is the whole objective. Content Kuma self-care Banajo this year, by year 3. Not Nuer, not young. Let us lower this tone. Come to your opinion. What call Victoria? That we don't need to create an door. We call Jachana board or room to you know. So right more is about area of war. Ko Jibor Taga Kudanwal Kudanka Bokomara let me wait. Who have we tell them as well as my this year. Tell them in your chap. Tell away about what chap back on Margaret. Tell me a message go over and you distance yourself from Gadat. Gadat Kumarokon. Kuramai, why you know, but I chamata around. Like so you need to distance yourself. Whereas Peter, but no one make a legend. Ramba, when you're not one, you demo. That will be another step. Min more message, I will let Kachab be al come. So we see that massive desertion. Chaga Belanade Puto, La Kile leave Jabo. ta ga ko bu new do riken ba ta na na bla developments of the movement ka spela mai go wada niam ba la ko je ken. So this thing is about Jonglei in general. When we come to Central Equatoria State, Central Equatoria, okay, this following days, Chataga Jom, Mupurede, me Chinadwal. You see all those areas, take on your one as PLMIO. You can't take a put. Someone, Mitakana Togawal Airport, is preparing for it. Go as we said, population under government control, they lose all the trust to corridor new Kume, who Kuma don't can protect them. They lose them all. So the Kumre Malarke, when you stay in your suburb area, we are protecting you, no, nobody can listen. So the portrait talk, the people report. We don't tana no important time as the Korea mentioned. They are preparing for a bigger pot. So that is the situation within Juba and around Juba. Plus, there is a massive conscription to capture idol used to con the Changle Rakaju. Cabo nigga to con, Cabo Tony, in terms of one and equa control the crime. Yani, qua lower name group delinquencies. So, another. Guard Korea Korea Juba every day. Can you reality? What can up for now? So now thanking Jonglei State, the Katankin or a barro, now thanking Gamakal, so Sankin Nanga Bentu. And Mr. we have a number of children. Tijanang, get that process. So Mulu Kujuba situation Jala Berebet. People that are suspicious among themselves. They are Gorodian, pressure Bararic and pressure Terejo. They don't call the Juba. She could be welded. So Kubia support again, and they are very far from one entire court. To look at you, whatever will happen, it has wait. I just the only situation of you, Malay order. Toro can up the near about Juba, plus the fact that as well my area still currently around Juba is closing in. Take a thing one till other audience that we say Chikom like a movement of the IO security issue. But I don't general situation in the area still under IO taking. As we talk about Juba, take a state of fear. Tonight, do I know what the content of a lot? Ko and warning as well as my Toro is about Juba. So more Corman got the audience, which is a final update. That I like a bentu. Taban Kakan media no corner to advise ourselves. Corner like a Tugnuara, con supporter of as well as my Ko the issue of bentu is very sensitive, especially like this 2026. Jala very sensitive code. It can divide us. The spirit of unity and energy kind of forge that we create this year of 2026. Metakon ko and our objective of Banakume self-care joy care ornament. There are if we don't take care of it. Good. Didn't walk Kuyunti state. Katide Arabeltin. Lakin there is no way to blame any person today. Taramade bell. Cha bulbu bell. Kicha group within lar. Tiran get interest de. Mongo there play. Minung na problem with the pan. Cha bell. So the only thing I want in a situation done corner, then recover a state. Korme Aremachari and will be wielded. It is only now. We have a power. Within a lot. That we all support and Korea Toga. It will continue. So Matagaramichi be wielded too much. Mukuyu Lelo. Mishara wanted to come myself a carry support this time. chan be beleje. Our message to him when an kuma Salva Kiir get to enter a segment. Ke spirit dana chamat and Nuer. Ke situation and unfolding kaso Sudan today. The year and a while. Whether ku support, whether it's a mat kaje a while of a year by Jude and Nuer. Cái này you be no here. So you Ramadan is here Quillian because these early days, nigga took running. You are killing yourself. Now, not all. Kokuma Salva Kiir wa jo ikajubu. Kibula commander ne kala. Kibula commander no kama yom. Mugam kuma Salva Kiir will muka jo ikajubu. It is a mass. That is a matter of days, matter of week. So, what will be the results of your fighting there about Salva Kiir? So, Ramo is to individuals. Individual person, that we cannot talk about no. Those individuals. And the only one community that we can tell, Koon and Kisdian, the Thingurun, Kajima Yam, to tell them at all, tell them at all over an Ejima Yam, Chungakel, Kakuma Salva Kiir, up to today. Kashia Kel, we pen on them that we say, oh, Kisdian, we cannot talk about one and a bull. Because as we said, the more we talk about it, because I'm going to do but I know individuals, community, but you can this particular time that we give them the message. Go through Tom, tell me care about you this year. Don't kill your brothers. Can should come Salva Kiir. Go by you. You have nam, it is their position. So that we cannot talk about one and EU. Milal Gonoken. Go we know this story. Now Malalaja Tana the one and issue Candian. Compare Duro Kentin Taganabo. To the spare enemy. But rules when you go on and we will talk about family community right called traditional leaders. You go like an individual politician. Like if you have about Bong Kia Kare, Kia Gatuni. To the Jiba you am this Chunkel Kume Iowa today. Individuals like Godmin to families like Tutkau, like others, they are individuals. But our problem, we chap like Chabul, Nigga Bong the Ken, Nigga Kar Ken, Nigga Makong the Ken. Now can ever connect Salva Kiir. Again, Nana Kukon Larun and a case of Jimayam, but it treat as a particular case. Historical mistake, Malaga Jimayam, the Nuer, La Nuer Ken. So, when Michel Gano is a situation that we can say, wait, a Koropan, a Korogaler, a Korokalja, Marup Con, and we know who fight who, and I knew now, carry the other toe. Got a rock again to content Bentiu as an update. Still, we have more update about Bentiu that we will have a special episode. Mulonake, Muloni and the corner to walk Bentiu. Mogwa Mua talk. Kagwa Chandarame, they call our walk and talk to corner no name in accident. Co situation cannot Jonglei state a stable where we talk about central Jonglei, Shekabor, Wanakatri, and then we talk about central Equatoria, P. Berendana to Ogre Juba, and then we talk about Bentiu, kata na our message about bentiu let us take care ka roja na roja kon ka situation le roga bentiu ko it can divide us that a kon dak so ku je molane kan jaga no ye wala ke wa chang dar me lo ya tes ko shia ko ling ko dung din media bala wije ko wa pyang yo ushukre